TECNO Spark. Go 2024. Gravity Black 6GB RAM, 64GB. Looks for function with style. Segment first 6.56-inch dot-in display and dynamic port. The 90Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth scrolling experience. Bounce on dual stereo speaker. Segment first dual stereo speakers equipped with DTS technology provide a fully immersive listening experience of up to 400% asterisk volume than a single speaker. Asterisk basis internal test data under standard condition. Deserves a best-in-class security. This device with anti-oil side fingerprint unlocking is built for comfort and efficiency, allowing you to easily unlock it with a touch of your fingertip. Powered by massive storage.
Presenting TECNO Spark Go 2024 smartphone. It is available in mystery white and gravity black colors. This is capable of managing multiple applications and tasks simultaneously with up to 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM. It includes SD card slot for up to 1TB expansion. Designed with 6.56-inch dot-in display and dynamic port with the 90Hz refresh rate to ensure a smooth scrolling experience. Features 13MP dual camera with wide aperture and HDR for sharpness and 8MP selfie camera with beauty enhancements and dual flash for ideal lighting. It is built with octa-core T606 processor to deliver lightning-fast performance, astonishing peak frequency and leave no hanging or lagging complaints. It has 5000 mAh battery and a versatile Type-C charger with 10 watts. The box includes SIM tray ejector, USB cable, power adapter and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.